Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to upload a file on SharePoint in a web browser. First, open your browser and navigate to SharePoint. You can do this through the Microsoft 365 portal or by going directly to your SharePoint site. Once you're signed in, you'll see your SharePoint homepage with all your available sites and document libraries. Next, click on Documents at the top of the page to open the document library where you want to upload your file. If you need to upload to a specific folder, navigate to that folder now. You'll see the document library view with any existing files and folders displayed in a list or grid layout. Now at the top of the page, you'll see an Upload button in the command bar. Click on Upload and a drop-down menu will appear with your upload options. From that drop-down, select Files. This will open your system's file picker dialog. It'll usually be labeled something like Add a Document. In the file picker, navigate to the location where your file is saved. Click on the file you want to upload to select it. If you need to upload multiple files at once, hold down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac and click on each file you want to select. Once you've selected everything, you'll see the files highlighted in the browser dialog. Finally, click the Open button at the bottom right of the file picker to confirm your selection. The dialog will close and your files will start uploading to SharePoint. Once the upload completes, the files will appear in your document library. A couple of quick things to know. SharePoint has a file size limit of 250 gigabytes per file, so most standard documents will upload without any issues. The files you upload will automatically inherit the sharing settings of the folder they're placed in. So whoever has access to that folder can see your files. And if your files don't appear right away after uploading, just refresh your browser page and they should show up. One more thing, if your library requires checkout, the file will be checked out to you when you first upload it, so you'll need to check it in before other people can edit it. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.